Before you make a decision to buy SaferVPN, here are 12 things you should know. We're going to compare it to some of its top competitors so you can decide if it's the right fit for you. First, SaferVPN offers a user-friendly interface that makes connecting to servers easy. Unlike some competitors, it's particularly great for beginners, with a streamlined setup and simple design. If you're new to VPNs, this could be one of its strongest selling points. The second thing to note is speed. While SaferVPN offers decent speeds, it's not always the fastest when compared to top-tier competitors like ExpressVPN or NordVPN. If speed is a top priority for you, SaferVPN may not always provide the same level of performance, especially on long-distance servers. Next thing, SaferVPN has a strict no-logs policy. That means it doesn't track your activity or store your data, which is crucial for privacy-conscious users. However, it's important to note that some competitors like ProtonVPN offer more transparency and even detailed third-party audits to confirm their no-logs claims. The fourth thing you should consider is server coverage. SaferVPN has servers in 34 plus countries, which is decent, but it doesn't match the server variety of leading VPNs like NordVPN, which has over 60 countries. If you need a more extensive network for bypassing geo-restrictions, you might want to look elsewhere. Another feature is the support for streaming. SaferVPN works well with popular platforms like Netflix, Hulu, and BBC iPlayer. However, while it's reliable for most users, some other VPNs, like CyberGhost, have more dedicated servers specifically for streaming, providing a better experience in some cases. Next thing to consider is security. SaferVPN offers strong encryption standards and supports OpenVPN, IKEv2, and L2TP IPsec protocols. However, competitors like ExpressVPN use the highly regarded trusted server technology, offering an additional layer of security with RAM-only servers, which some users might prefer. Moving on, if you're looking for a VPN that works well in restrictive regions, SaferVPN isn't the best option. While it works in most countries, it struggles to bypass censorship in places like China, where competitors like NordVPN excel at getting around firewalls. The next point is customer support. SaferVPN offers 24/7 live chat, which is handy when you need quick help. While its support is decent, it's not as fast or detailed as what you might get with services like ExpressVPN or CyberGhost, where response times and helpfulness tend to be a little better. Another consideration is pricing. SaferVPN offers affordable plans, but it's not the cheapest. While it might be a great value for some, if you're looking for the most cost-effective solution, you could find better options with a provider like Surfshark, which offers lower prices while still delivering solid performance. The 10th thing to know is device compatibility. SaferVPN supports all major platforms including Windows, Mac, Android, and iOS. But some top-tier VPNs, like ExpressVPN and NordVPN, offer more support for devices like routers and smart TVs, giving them a bit more versatility. Next up, if you're planning to use a VPN for torrenting, SaferVPN supports P2P traffic on some servers, but it's not the best choice for heavy torrenting. Competitors like NordVPN offer optimized servers specifically for torrenting, with better speeds and more reliability. Another feature is its kill switch, which automatically disconnects you from the internet if the VPN connection drops, preventing your data from being exposed. SaferVPN includes a kill switch on desktop apps, but it's worth noting that it's not available on mobile apps, unlike some other VPN services that provide it across all devices. The 12th and final point is the free trial. SaferVPN offers a 24-hour free trial, which is a nice perk if you want to test it out. However, some competitors offer longer trials or better money-back guarantees. For instance, ExpressVPN gives you 30 days to try it risk-free. So, is SaferVPN worth it? It's a solid choice for users looking for simplicity, decent speeds, and strong security. But if you're looking for the fastest speeds, the most extensive server network, or the best for streaming, you might want to look at other options. If you want a better option with more features, try our recommended VPN service that offers a free trial to see how it compares.